ZJD Family Farm, we make farming a family affair. Everyone contributes to the daily activities. Let's take a look. ZJD Family Farm focus on organic vegetable production. Organic production is an ecological production management system that promotes and enhances biodiversity, soil biological activity, and biological cycles. It is based on the use of minimal off-farm inputs, but we use best management practices that restore, maintain, and enhance ecological harmony. We have created our very own compost with soil, dried leaves from our yard, earthworm castings, crop waste, as well as sawdust, all layered. ZJD Family Farm is a holistic farm that has embraced physical, biological, and mechanical means used to control insects, weeds, and diseases. We have accepted the Grow It Yourself challenge, and we would like to thank everyone for watching.